Moxie's a new mom. This is her first litter, so she's learning. And she has a nice sized litter. Obviously, they have 9 puppies. So she's learning how to take care of them and where to lay down so that she doesn't step on them. Of course, we have the railing around to protect the puppies. Put them secure in us watching. If we can, if we hear somebody crying and she isn't responding immediately, we can make sure they're all okay. But they do make a lot of squawking noises. And that's something that the mom has to learn to read, just like human moms with babies. You have to learn to understand what their language is. Whoops, you fell over. So until she's finished cleaning them and knows that everybody's potty, she won't lay down completely. You can see she's continuing to clean a little bit. Their eyes are closed at birth as well as their ears, and their eyes will open somewhere between 10 and 14 days, roughly, maybe a little longer. And then shortly thereafter, their ears open up, so they can't hear anything and they can't see anything. But they sure can move when they're born, and they have a fantastic sense of smell. A lot of cleaning with 9 puppies. That's like a lot of diapers if you have 9 kids. What else, Jenny? Anything you can cover while she's finishing cleaning?
We had to clip nails this morning. So they're little teeny tiny nails. Needed to be clipped. And so they had their first ones done. Had a few squawkers and a few that slept right through it. So there's a lot of care that mom can do, but there's some that we have to step in also to help out with. You can see their pigment on the back, show their back of their paws. When puppies are born,
There we go.
their paw pads are pink, and pretty much over the first 24 hours, they turn to gray and then to black.
Oops, you fell off.
Moxie has 10 nipples, so 10 puppies could fit on. The milk doesn't come in the first day, and if you can see their tails, right here, tail wagging. Sometimes it'll wag when the milk comes in or stick straight up. It's like milk bar's open, the tap is open. It is.
Then we have puppy surfing at times.
Yeah.
Way back there.
Yep.
Okay.
Their little bellies are small, and we can tell when they filled up because they right around their bellies kind of pop right out. They look like fat ticks. Pop
Bellies.
pot bellies. Notice when they're moving around, they don't use their legs quite yet. They're using to pull and push. They use their neck muscles. You can see them using their feet here to get some traction.
Trying to prop her up a little bit so that they have easy access to the lower set of nipples. See down. So there's a track on the top of 5 and a track on the bottom. And we do rotate her to make sure that all of the nipples are being used.
You can tell there's milk coming in. This little one here, you can see he's just, she nursing away, not pulling on the nipple. When the
Tails are going here.
when they've emptied out one, you'll see they'll start to use their paws to knead or kind of pull with their head.
I don't know if the audio is picking up. Hopefully you can hear that. Then getting a full belly.
Right now they're nursing every 2 hours. Moxie likes to just lay in here with them. So we have to also make sure that the puppies aren't nursing so she can replenish her milk supply. And of course, they eat, they sleep, and they potty. And that's pretty much their day, rotating every 2 hours.
And so you see here where they're shifting around because whatever nipple they were on is empty. That tap is empty. And so they'll search for another one and make sure that they empty everything. They're very, very good eaters. And it's actually good for them. They develop strength this way. You'll see some of them go upside down here. They can breathe. Under there, they're not smushed completely. And that's part of when they're born, their muzzles are really close to their body because that allows them to breathe while they're nursing. And then that eventually pops out, at least for golden retrievers. I can only speak for Goldens. We're golden retriever breeders. And by the way, these puppies are spoken for, so this is not an ad for sale.